All right, let's look at the homework 1.1, problem number 5. All right, so we want to find the natural domain of this given function. All right, so let's do that. All right, so remember that we have, since we have a square root, rule was we have to make sure that inside the square root has to be non-negative. Right? So we have actually a couple of them. So here, there's one here, and there's another one. So we have to get a couple of conditions and then put them together. All right, so we know that, so stuff inside the first square root, so you have 8 minus t. We want to make sure that this is non-negative, so which is means that greater than or equal to 0. And I guess the easiest way to isolate t would be we can just simply add t to both sides of the inequality. So you have 8 is still greater than 0 plus t is t. Right? So t is less than or equal to 8. Right? So that's the first condition. Second is you have 3 plus t. That's another stuff inside expression inside the square root. We have to make sure that it's has to be greater than or equal to 0. All right, so we can isolate t by subtracting 3 from both sides. So you have a t all by itself on the left-hand side is greater than or equal to, right, 0 minus 3 is negative 3. Right? So we know that it's going to be between negative 3. So if you do a number line, it's a little clearer. So you have a number line. And then you know that here's a negative 3. So I'm going to put negative 3 here. And the t is, let's say 8. The other one number is 8. Right? And we want this t to be less than or equal to 8. But it has to be greater than or equal to negative 3. So it's going to be between here and there. All right, so if you want to write the interval notation, so starting from 3, because of the equality, we want to include negative 3, and then all the way up to 8, and then including 8 as well. All right, so let's type it in. All right, so the interval is left square bracket, negative 3, comma, 8, and the right square bracket. All right, let's check the answer. All right, I came back and looks like we got number 5 correctly. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.